has this, we've seen this trend where Wall Street has this expectation for this V-shaped recovery. Do you think we're headed for a reckoning here? And strangely enough, could that reckoning be beginning today when we're seeing the health issue come front and center?
So it's hard to say whether the reckoning is starting today or not. What we do know is we got four bits of bad news: the IMF projection, the health indicators, the tariffs, and New York and a couple of other states imposing sand in the wheel restrictions on people coming from hotspots. All that speaks to a weaker economy. And there's a question mark. I think the markets have been betting less on the V recently because the reopening rotation trade exhausted itself, and more on the backstop of central banks. So there's going to be a lot of focus on what does the Fed do here, and does the Fed get deeper involved in interfering with market pricing.
Do you see a retesting of the lows that we saw on March 23rd? Do you see that maybe retesting in the next few months?
I think that's unlikely unless we really do hit a major air pocket on the economy, or if the Fed makes a big policy mistake. The reason why is the Fed has already gone into high yield, and it will not exit that strategy anytime soon. So the market will continue to hope that if we get enough of a sell-off, that will drag in the Fed into buying equities. That's what the hope of the market is. I doubt it's going to happen, but that should limit the probability of us revisiting the March 23rd lows.